watching Stella's recipe. Today we're gonna make a chestnut 떡갈비. This menu was introduced in a TV program called 윤스테이. This program was devised to provide foreigners with authentic Korean food and rest in a Korean traditional house. Among many menus that they made, I think chestnut 떡갈비 is the best because it is all-time favorite for everybody and there is no clear likes and dislikes. So if you're ready, let's get started. The first thing we have to do is make a sauce for 떡갈비. This sauce includes not only onion and spring onion, but also Asian pears. It'll create natural sweetness and mitigate the saltiness of a soy sauce. I'm gonna blend them all together, put them in a food processor and ground them into a liquid. You'll see watery and brown color sauce in the end. Next, let's season the meat using a sauce that we made before. Put 1 tablespoon of cooking wine and a little bit of pepper. And add 6 tablespoons of sauce. Reserve the rest of the sauce inside the fridge. You can use that for making bulgogi or any kinds of Korean barbecue. Mix them using hands. Keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Let the sauce permeate into ground beef. Mash the ground beef for 80 grams each. You can make a 떡갈비 only using a beef, but I want to make it extra special. So I'll put a cinnamon flavored chestnut inside a ground beef. Steam handful amount of chestnut using a tripod. If you boil them inside the water, the nutrient in the chestnut will be gone, so I always use this method. Close the lid and steam them about 1 hour in a medium heat. Then let them settle by its own heat for 10 minutes. Put them inside a food processor and grind them into fine pieces. It doesn't really ground completely at once, and that's why we have to do an extra work. Shift them using a net. The steamed chestnut will be turned like a clay. Put oligosaccharide and cinnamon powder and mix them using a wooden spoon. Then mix them completely using a hand. Mash the chestnut into 13 grams of lump. Put them on a ground beef mixture and wrap them up using a hand. I'm gonna make a round, oval-shaped figure because that's how 떡갈비 usually look like. When you see a 윤스테이 episode, you can see that people spend a lot of time making 떡갈비 mixture. Then I'm gonna pop them inside an oven. Roast this at 180 Celsius degree for 20 minutes. When time's up, take them out using a tweezer. I can see that some of them has a crack and chestnut has come out a little bit, but it doesn't really matter. Actually, you can eat this right away when you take them out from the oven, but I'm gonna do the extra work to make it more delicious. I'm gonna brush the sauce one more time and burn the outside using a micro torch. Flip it to the other side and do the same thing as well. If you don't have a torch, then use a skillet to burn the outside of it. It'll taste much better. In Yoon's day, Park Seo-joon, he used charcoal fire to grill this. If you have a barbecue grill at home, then you can use them instead. We're done with the 떡갈비. Then we should move to the side menu, which is a seasoned chive. Cut the chive into 4 cm long and cut the red chilies into same lengths. How do we do that? Cut the red chilies in half and remove the seed inside. And then cut the red chilies into same lengths with chive. When you're cooking, the taste matters a lot, but how they look matters as well. And then put them inside a bowl and add a mustard, vinegar, soy sauce, water, and sugar. This side dish goes perfect with a 떡갈비 and another Korean barbecue. Mix them all together using a hand. I'll serve them with a dish with a pine nut on top. And this is a lot of work, but it is perfect for housewarming parties or holidays. Let me try this. It is so soft and the flavor of cinnamon is very refreshing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more recipe ideas. See you in the next video. Bye bye!